Happy Halloween! I thought it'd be funny to show you a few of my prints that I did for this season. And this one is especially funny to use the CFS enabled Creality High once again. And with these kinds of layered color changes, you don't have too many poops, because most of it is black, then a bit of orange and a bit of white. It looks better in real life than on camera. And these are the other prints that I thought I'd like to share with you. Why not making a 3D printed video every once in a while? The latest print job that just finished, and I'm not finished removing the supports here, is this forbidden fruit, which needs some color. But printing this in color would have taken way too long. So I just printed it in white, and it turned out beautifully in detail. Once again, the Creality High with... No, sorry, that's the Elegoo Centauri Carbon in 0.60mm detailed, and they are standard settings. And then we have a few Grim Reapers. And check out this one here. It has a skull on the spine, articulated spine. I scaled it down because I didn't want it to be 17 centimeters tall. This is another one of those comic style figurines. It was a multi-part thing that you just glue together. And once again, this is printed in 0.16, and I'm really happy about the quality of this print. This was the Anycubic Cobra, the one back there, Anycubic Cobra, but without CFS, because its CFS is rather shitty. Then we have Echo Dot compatible spider, the Gen 5, the one with the spheric Echo Dot from Amazon. And this one is really nice, and it's also a multi-part print. And this, in theory, would also fit an Echo Dot, the sphere version 1. But I decided to just have it in this nice orange color as a pumpkin. It was printed on the Elegoo, and this green one in the meantime at the Creality High. So I'd like to use different printers at the same time to cut down the print time, which works nice. And yesterday I got this out of the Anycubic Cobra. Very nicely and detailed wizard with a pumpkin head. And look at those tiny details. I mean, compared to my finger, those are tiny things. Very spooky, isn't it? There's a bit of support interface left on the head. And it was very nice to get it peeled out of the support. And this one is just a coffin that can be transformed. I'm not sure if I can do this on camera now. Okay, I gave it away. These are the feet, yeah, and that's the one downside. The feet don't really hold up that nicely. They don't stay in place as they are supposed to. And I never get... Shit. Yeah. It's not an articulated print, it's a glue or stick together print. Oh. So stupid. Put it together the right way. Yeah, okay. I mean, it looks nice. It looks kind of nice, but it's also not working the best way. So yeah, that's that. A little zombie. And one thing that's not really Halloween themed, but very addictive, is this articulated print. It's kind of a fidget toy. It can print in place also on the Elegoo in a multicolor filament, and it prints like this. Yeah. It makes weird sounds. Okay, I think these are all of my Halloween prints. In the meantime, the sign is finished as well. A little over 1.5 hours. And let's get this off the build plate live. Yeah, nice and easy. And this thing here has one feature. I hope it works. I left the spot here for these really strong 25 millimeter by 6 millimeter magnets, and it would be so nice. Yeah, I love it when it works even better than anticipated, because now it is such a tight fit that I don't even need glue for the magnet, and I can like mount this everywhere now. So happy Halloween from RC Shim. You've seen these printers in my reviews. If not, go check out these videos, especially the Elegoo for its €300 price point and coming out in November, I guess. Check this one out on Geek Buying. They sent it to me for a review. Really, really nice. Happy Halloween.